Does GoDaddy support 2048-bit DKIM keys? Yes, GoDaddy supports 2048-bit DKIM, domain keys identified mail, keys, enhancing email security by allowing users to implement stronger encryption for email authentication. 1. Understanding DKIM and key lengths. DKIM. Overview. DKIM is an email authentication method that enables the detection of forged sender addresses in emails, helping to prevent email spoofing. Key lengths. DKIM keys come in various lengths, with 1024-bit and 2048-bit being common. A 2048-bit key offers stronger security due to its longer length, making it more resistant to cryptographic attacks. 2. GoDaddy support for 2048-bit DKIM keys. Compatibility. GoDaddy's DNS management system supports the implementation of 2048-bit DKIM keys. Users can add these keys to their domain's DNS records to enhance email security. Automatic splitting. When entering a 2048-bit DKIM key, GoDaddy's system automatically splits the key into smaller parts to accommodate DNS record length limitations, simplifying the setup process for users. 3. Setting up 2048-bit DKIM keys in GoDaddy. To configure a 2048-bit DKIM key for your domain in GoDaddy, follow these steps. Step 1. Generate your DKIM key. Use your email service provider's tools to generate a 2048-bit DKIM key pair. This typically involves creating a public and private key. Step 2. Access GoDaddy DNS management. Log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to My Products and select Manage DNS for the domain you wish to configure. Step 3. Add the DKIM record. In the DNS management section, click on Add to create a new DNS record. Set the type to TXT. In the name field, enter the DKIM selector followed by a period and underscore domain key. For example, if your selector is S1, enter S1.domain key. In the value field, paste the 2048-bit public DKIM key provided by your email service provider. Set the TTL, time to live, to the default value or as recommended by your provider. Click Save to apply the changes. Step 4. Verify the DKIM setup. Allow up to 48 hours for DNS propagation. Use a DKIM lookup tool or your email service provider's verification process to confirm that the DKIM record is correctly configured.